Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing really well and it's great to see you back here for another video. So today we're going to be continuing the star sign series here on my channel, where basically we explore the best crystal for each current zodiac sign. And of course the current one is Scorpio. So Scorpios are known for their intense and passionate energy, and these crystals can help them to harness and balance those vibes. But before we get started, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you never miss out on more crystal content coming your way. So without further ado, let's get into it. Scorpios are associated with a variety of different personality traits influenced by their astrological sign. It's important to note that individual personalities, of course, can vary, disclaimer, and astrology is just a single lens with which we can see people through and help them to better understand ourselves and others. With that being said, here are some key traits often associated with Scorpios. So this star sign is known for its deep and intense emotions. They experience feelings really strongly and can be quite passionate in their relationships and various pursuits throughout their life. Scorpios are often characterized by their strong will and determination. Once they set their sights on a goal, they are likely to pursue it with persistence and focus. They're also very resourceful people and have a knack for finding solutions to different challenges. Their strategic thinking basically allows them to navigate through different life situations. Scorpios are known for their pretty mysterious aura and inclination towards being quite private people. They don't necessarily reveal everything about themselves easily, keeping certain aspects of their lives hidden. Scorpios are intuitive and perceptive. They can often pick up on subtle cues and have a natural ability to understand the emotions and motivations of other people. Scorpios are known to be fiercely loyal to those they care about. They value trust and expect the same level of commitment from their friends and partners. This sign is often associated with transformation and rebirth. They have the ability to reinvent themselves and are not afraid of change or personal growth. They possess a natural charm and magnetism that can draw people to them. They often tend to have quite a charismatic presence that often makes them stand out in social situations. While Scorpios value deep connections, they also appreciate their own independence at the same time. They need alone time to recharge and reflect. Crystals are often associated with specific energies that can complement and enhance certain traits or aspects of an individual's personality, as believed in various different spiritual and holistic practices. Come on then! Just been interrupted by a new addition to our family. We got a puppy. And we only got her a few days ago, so she's very needy at the moment. She may just have to sit on my lap for the rest of this video. So I do apologise if there's any dog noises you can hear in the background. She doesn't want to be left alone at the moment. Anyway, I digress. Let's get back into the video. So Scorpios are known for their intense and passionate nature, as well as their transformative energy. And several crystals are often recommended for them. So let's get into them now. The first one is black obsidian, which is basically a volcanic glass with a really striking deep black color. And this crystal possesses unique properties that make it a powerful tool for emotional navigation and transformation. Its protective nature serves as an energetic field, guarding Scorpios against negativity and psychic attacks. This crystal's grounding attributes anchor Scorpios in the present moment, promoting a sense of stability for them and helps them to kind of balance things more easily. During these times of intense emotions, black obsidian basically acts as a kind of mirror and encourages this self-reflection and clarity. It aids in uncovering deep-seated issues and allows Scorpios to confront and transform negative patterns or emotions. Linking to the transformative energy that both stone and star signs share, this aligns with Scorpio's innate ability to undergo profound personal growth and change. Whether it's used in meditation or perhaps carried as a talisman or even placed in your living space, black obsidian is a really valuable tool for Scorpios seeking emotional resilience and a clear path to the kind of next step, or to level up, if you will. Next up is citrine, a radiant yellow crystal, and it is celebrated for its energizing properties and influence on creativity and manifestation. As a powerful energizer, citrine is thought to revitalize Scorpio's energy and provide them with a boost of vitality and motivation. It's connected to the solar plexus chakra and enhances Scorpio's creative expression, making it a really good companion if you're particularly artistic, for example. Citrine's manifestation properties are believed to align with Scorpio's determination, helping them to focus their goals and intentions on attracting positive outcomes. This crystal is often associated with abundance and prosperity, bringing a sense of warmth and light into Scorpio's intense and quite passionate nature. Whether it is worn as jewelry, again placed in and around your home, or of course using it in meditation, citrine is considered to be a really valuable ally for any Scorpios who are basically looking to amplify their creative energies and manifest positive aspirations. Then we have labradorite, which is a gorgeous stone I have done a full video on. This crystal possesses properties that resonate deeply with Scorpio's more intuitive and transformative nature. It is revered for enhancing Scorpio's innate intuition and heightening their psychic abilities as well. Labradorite has a very mystical aura and is sometimes believed to open a portal into the spiritual realm, which links into encouraging Scorpios to explore their inner depths and connect with a higher consciousness. Because it is a stone of transformation, labradorite is particularly valuable for Scorpios during periods of change, aiding them in navigating life's twists and turns with resilience and adaptability. I'm going to have to put you down. Come on. So, however you use labradorite, it does encourage Scorpios to embrace their more spiritual side and again, work with that deeper, more passionate side of being a Scorpio. It really helps to kind of work through any thought processes and empowers them to use their more intuitive gifts and embark on transformative energies. Garnet is a captivating and energizing crystal and carries properties that resonate with Scorpio's passionate and intense nature. It is known for its deep red hues, and garnet is associated with passion and the invigoration of life force energy. For Scorpios, it is a crystal that serves as an emotional stabilizer, helping to balance your intense emotions and provide a sense of grounding. Garnet's energy is believed to inspire a strong sense of empowerment and encourage Scorpios to embrace their own inner strengths and face challenges with determination. Garnet is considered a stone of commitment, fostering devotion and loyalty in relationships. Whether you wear it as a piece of jewelry or again use it in meditation, garnet helps to amplify Scorpio's vitality, promoting a balance between emotional stability and passion. As a symbol of enduring love and energy, garnet is a valuable ally for Scorpios seeking both emotional equilibrium and a zest for life. Amethyst is next, and this is of course a stunning classic crystal that possesses properties that align harmoniously with Scorpio's intense and emotional nature. Renowned for its calming influence, amethyst is a powerful tool for easing Scorpio's emotions, helping to soothe stress and anxieties. This crystal is deeply spiritual, facilitating a connection to higher realms and promoting inner peace. For Scorpios who are seeking protection on a more spiritual level, amethyst acts as a guardian, creating a serene and a protective energy field around them. Its calming effect makes it an ideal companion for things like meditation, aiding Scorpios in attaining a deep sense of relaxation and clarity. Amethyst also supports Scorpios in developing their intuitive abilities, enhancing their spiritual awareness. Whether you wear it as jewelry, placed in the living space, or again used in meditation, you could even pop it under your pillow, for example. Amethyst serves as a comforting and spiritually enriching ally for Scorpios navigating the depths of their emotions. Next up we have rose quartz with its beautiful rosy pink hue, and this crystal holds properties that resonate again with Scorpio's emotional side. Rose quartz is a powerful catalyst for promoting love in all sorts of different forms. For Scorpios, this crystal encourages self-love and self-compassion, leading to a sense of a deeper connection with your own emotions. Rose quartz is especially beneficial in helping Scorpios navigate the intricate landscape of relationships and friendships, harmonizing connections and promoting understanding. Its gentle energy encourages Scorpios to embrace their emotional side, facilitating vulnerability and fostering empathy. Next up, we have smoky quartz. As a grounding stone, this crystal really helps Scorpios to establish a connection with the earth. It fosters stability and balance. It has really protective qualities that help to create an energetic shield, and help Scorpios in shielding themselves from negativity and stress. Moreover, smoky quartz aids in the release of pent-up emotions, allowing Scorpios to navigate their intense feelings more effectively. Whether used in meditation or however you use this crystal, it is a really valuable ally for Scorpios seeking to maintain emotional equilibrium and just find strength in any challenging situations that may come upon them. Then we have rhodonite, known for its kind of beautiful pink and black hues. So this stone is associated with emotional healing and balance, making it a great tool for Scorpios again because of their emotional and intricate deep feelings. Rhodonite promotes compassion and understanding and therefore generates a harmonious approach to relationships and self-acceptance. It has a soothing energy that helps Scorpios release emotional wounds and promotes emotional well-being. So now we're going to move on to how you can actually use these crystals. So here are some practical solutions tailored to Scorpio's nature that will help you figure out how it's best to use crystals in your day-to-day life. First off is, of course, wearing crystal jewelry that aligns with your Scorpio energy. For example, you could wear a black obsidian necklace for protection or a labradorite ring to enhance intuition. Wearing jewelry basically helps keep the crystal's energy close to you and your aura throughout the day on a really consistent basis. As I've said before, incorporating crystals into your meditation routine is another great one. So holding a crystal such as amethyst or rose quartz during meditation sessions to deepen your connection with your inner self. Visualize the crystal's energy enveloping you and promoting emotional balance and spiritual growth, or whatever other association you have with that particular crystal for your need. There is, of course, the classic keeping a crystal in your pocket or your purse. For Scorpios, carrying a piece of black obsidian could serve as a really great protective talisman, helping you to navigate intense emotions and to shield against negativity throughout the day. You could also experiment with crystal grids. You can arrange crystals in geometric patterns that align with your intentions. So, as an example, a grid featuring garnet, citrine and smoky quartz could help balance emotions, enhance creativity and ground your energy. I'd also put these crystal grids in places that you frequent a lot. You could also, on the mention of places, put crystals strategically in your home. So I also really must apologise for the lighting. I know that's really bad. So you could put obsidian near your entrances or exits to your house for protection, or citrine on your desk to help boost creativity. You could try putting a piece of labradorite in your bedroom, which can enhance intuitive dreams as well. Next, you could try daily affirmations. So you're basically pairing a crystal with an affirmation. So hold a crystal in your hand and repeat positive affirmations that align with your goals and intentions. This practice can amplify the manifestation power of crystals. Remember to cleanse and recharge your crystals regularly because they can absorb energies over time. Scorpios can explore different combinations of crystals, for example, and use different methods to figure out which one aligns best with them personally. Because everybody is so different, it's always good to keep track of what works for you and what doesn't as you kind of go through the crystal healing process. And there you have it, an in-depth look at the perfect crystals for the star sign Scorpio. I hope you enjoyed this video and found it informative. And if you're a Scorpio, I hope you have had or will have a lovely birthday. And for the rest of you, I hope you have a lovely rest of your day. Stay happy and blessed be.